Hello, future millionaires. Listen daily to these powerful affirmations for manifesting wealth and achieving financial freedom. I am worthy of financial abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and easily. I am open to receiving limitless wealth. My bank account grows daily. I attract opportunities that bring financial success. I am financially free and live life on my terms. I deserve to be prosperous and live a rich life. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. I release all resistance to attracting money. I am financially confident and secure. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and prosperity. I welcome an unlimited source of income into my life. I am grateful for the money I have and the money that's on its way. I am open to receiving new streams of income. My actions create constant prosperity. I have the power to attract wealth and success. I trust in my ability to create wealth. Financial success comes naturally to me. Every day I attract more abundance into my life. I am a successful money magnet. I am financially abundant and always have more than enough. Money is a tool that I use to create positive change in my life. I release all fear and doubt about money. I'm attracting more money into my life every day. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I am thankful for the wealth in my life. I choose to live a rich and fulfilling life. I create prosperity in all areas of my life. I attract wealth effortlessly. My financial situation is improving every day. I embrace new avenues of income. My mind is attuned to abundance. I'm always attracting money to me. I am open to receiving financial blessings. My wealth is growing every day. I release any blocks to financial abundance. I attract financial miracles. I am worthy of making more money. I welcome financial freedom into my life. I manage my money with joy and gratitude. Money expands my life and the lives of others. I am in control of my financial destiny. I am open to wealth in all its forms. I am capable of achieving financial goals. I am surrounded by opportunities to earn money. My life is full of wealth-building opportunities. I am a money magnet, and wealth is drawn to me. I attract wealth and success with every decision I make. I believe in my ability to manifest financial freedom. I am worthy of a wealthy life. I deserve to live a prosperous and abundant life. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. I attract financial opportunities every day. I am a powerful creator of wealth. I radiate wealth, abundance, and prosperity. I am in alignment with my financial goals. I deserve unlimited wealth and financial security. My wealth allows me to help others. I see wealth and abundance all around me. I allow wealth to flow easily into my life. I attract financial abundance through the right actions. I trust that the universe will provide for me. Money is an abundant resource, and I attract it effortlessly. I am grateful for the financial security I have. I am constantly growing my wealth and abundance. I am open to receiving large sums of money. I deserve to be financially secure and free. My financial dreams are coming true. I am grateful for the wealth and freedom that is coming to me. These affirmations can help shift your mindset and align your energy towards manifesting wealth and financial freedom. Repeating them regularly can reinforce a positive and abundant mindset.